Hello, now let's look at this problem. I am using this identifier tool. I want to identify the attribute, let us say, of this particular city, but I am not able to select city. Every time I click anywhere, I am in fact selecting a polygon which belongs to the country shapefile. But I want to see the attribute of the city shapefile. I want to see the attribute of a particular city, but it is not happening. So in such case, when you come across a problem that you are clicking on the map canvas but things are not happening the way you want, you always go and check the status in the layer panel. So let's look at some of the characteristics of the layer panel. So here, whenever I click anywhere on the map, I am selecting only the polygons, because in layer panel country shapefile is getting selected. If you will look closer, so if I look closer, this country shapefile is selected over here. So therefore, whenever I click over here, it is showing me the selecting the polygons which belongs to the country layer. If I want to select the city, then I have to click on the city layer, then only I can select a particular city. Now I can see I have selected a Nagpur city, and therefore the attributes of the Nagpur cities are visible. Now I can click over here, and now I can see it's Hyderabad. So it's all about which layer you have selected over here. If I again select a country, then I will again highlight a polygon. Okay, also you need to see in which order the layers are being appeared. For example, if I can also change the order of these layers. Now the city layer is at the top. I can bring this layer down by dragging downwards. Now the country layer is at the top, and therefore you cannot see the cities because country layer has hide the cities. So you need to also see the order in which the layers are placed. See the country layer, see the polygons are filled with the color, therefore you cannot see cities any longer. But I can uncheck over here. The moment I uncheck, I can only see the cities, because cities layer is checked and this country layer is unchecked. The moment you uncheck the layer, also you can see the appearance of the name of the shapefile. It is now in italic form. Once a moment I click it, here you see the name changes. So I'm unchecking it, so now I can only see the cities. Now still I try to click, I can only select the polygons. I am not able to select the cities over here. For example, I can select India, but I cannot select the cities because over here country polygon is selected, country shapefile is selected. So that it means the layer can be invisible, but still the attributes of that layer can be visible. For example, country layer is invisible, but I can see the attributes of the India. So I have to select the cities again, so then only I can select the particular cities. So remember, if you are using any tool, ensure that you are selecting an appropriate layer. For example, if I want to select, now let's make the country layer visible, and now I want to use a selection tool. We have used it earlier. Now I will just click it on a pan, so then there are no more selection by the identifier tool. Now I am selecting the feature by using the select feature tool. Now if I click over here, I am not able to select any feature. Why it is happening? It is happening because I am clicking on the country layer, but actually selected layer is the city. So in this case I cannot select any feature from the country layer because country layer is not selected. So moment I select a country, then only I can select a polygon over here. China, Afghanistan, another country, Russia. Okay. Similarly, if I hide this country, now I can only see the cities. And if I want to select a city, I cannot select the cities over here because the highlighted layer is a country. I want to highlight the city layer, then only I can select the cities. I can select the multiple cities by pressing control. Press a control key and then you can select multiple cities and so on. So in QGIS you always pay attention that which layers are visible and the order in which the layers are placed. Accordingly you can see the highlighted layers or the uh, layers which are getting selected through the attribute tool or the identifier tool. Okay, now we will move towards to another files. So I want to now remove these files from here. I can remove it by right clicking remove layer. So remove one legend entries. Okay, so that city layer will be removed. Then I am removing this country layer. This layer will also get removed. Okay, now again the canvas is empty. Now I want to add this ind_adm0.shapefile. Okay, so I'm adding it. I can drop it over here, or again I'm removing it. I can remove like this, remove the layers. So the option is over here for the removing layer. Either you can right click or you can use these options over here. So I can India ADM0 dot shapefile I can either drop over the canvas or either I can drop over in the layer, or I can double click. Now you can see that every time you drop the same layer the color changes. Earlier it was a different color, now it's green. Now let me remove it again. Okay, now I am again adding this layer, the color is different. Now let me add it one more time. Now the color is different. Earlier it was yellow, now it's some color shade similar to brown. So every time you add a vector layer, each time you get a different color. So it means that color is not the property of that vector layer. Color is just an appearance which you see in this canvas. We will talk about these things when we discuss the symbology. So whenever you import a layer, every time you get a different color. Okay, now I will remove one of the layer. So this is the India admin 0 layer which shows the outer boundary of India. So it includes the multiple polygons, it includes the India as well as these islands over here and these islands over here. And how its attribute table looks like, either I can go through the attribute table by clicking over here, or I can just right click and I say open attribute table. So now the entire India, which includes the multiple polygons, is represented by as a one feature only. So if I select over here, entire polygon will get highlighted. I can deselect it over here, but I can use a select feature and I can select it over here. and the same way it will get highlighted in the attribute table. Okay, I am closing now this attribute table. Now I am importing India admin 1. Okay, I am just double clicking over here. India admin 1 is added. Now India admin 1 includes the map of India with the state boundaries, so you can see the state boundaries over here. Now I can go and see the attribute table of this. So here is the attribute table, and I want to see how many features are there. You can also see the features over here, total 36 features. Okay, you can see the features over here, 36 features, selected 0, filtered 36. Okay, the moment I select over here, for example, if I select, let us say, Gujarat, it will get highlighted over here, and you can see the selected feature is 1. So there are total 36 states which are displayed in this map, out of which 1 is selected. I can press Ctrl, I can select multiple states now. Okay, Himachal, Karnataka. Okay, now with this thing, you can see the number of selected features are highlighted over here as the 5 features are selected. Okay, so here total 36 features in this attribute table. Let us close down this attribute table and let us see the India admin 2. Before that, you can deselect everything, and so the map will have the original shape. Now let us say I want to add another layer. Before that, I can close down this identify result because I no longer want it. So now I can have full access to this browser panel. Now I want to load the India_cities.shape file. I have loaded it, and now you can see these cities are now appearing. I want to see what are those cities, so I'm using the identify tool and highlighting. So this is Lucknow, this is Patna, you can see over here, this is Nagpur. Now similarly, I can go back and check the attribute table of India cities. Now this is the attribute table. So here are total 20 features. So, and each feature is represented with 1 polygon. Okay. Now I want to add one more file called India admin 2, and double clicking on it. So what has happened, now India admin 2 has appeared. So India admin 2 is representing the boundaries of the districts in the state. Now let us get rid of this identifier tool. So I will click over pan, so identifier tool has gone, so nothing is over here. Now I cannot see my cities. Why? Because the reason is the order of the layers in the layer panel. If I make it invisible, the India admin 2, I can see the cities, or if I want to see the cities, I have to bring the cities at the top. So I can also change over here the order. I can bring the India admin 0 at the top. Then I can, so here since it is at the top, I can see only the outer boundaries. I cannot see the cities, I cannot see the state boundaries, I cannot see the district boundaries, which are represented by the India admin 2, 1 and India cities. But the moment I make this invisible, then I can see the cities, then I can see the India admin 2, which is a district boundary, and at present the city boundary, the state boundaries are not visible. But if I make this invisible, So at present there are only two layers are active layers. These remaining layers are the passive layers, so these are not visible. So the visible layers are only Indian cities and India admin 1, which is the state boundary. So here you need to pay attention which layers are visible and what is the order in which these layers are placed. And by placing this you can see the and analyze the required data. Okay, so in this video we have learned about the features of the layer panel. So here are there are two important points. One has to always see the which are the layers are visible and the order in which the layers are placed. And therefore another thing which we have learned is while using the identifier tool or a selection tool, you should ensure that you are selecting the appropriate layer over here. For example, here if the India admin 2 is selected, then I cannot select the state. Okay, I cannot select any state. If I want to select the state, then I have to ensure that India admin 1 is highlighted. Now I can select the state: Uttar Pradesh, Rajasthan, Telangana, Odisha. So while using this selection tool or while using the identifier tool, I'm deselecting it. You should ensure that you are using the appropriate layer is selected, then only identifier tool can show you the appropriate feature and corresponding attributes in identify result frame. Okay, so these are the very important aspect of the layer panel. You should keep in this mind while dealing with the layers in the QGIS environment. Thank you.